Hello there, Ron Williams here from Certify Roof and Inspection. And ever heard the phrase industry standards? This is required to be on every roofing contract as it mandates that all work aligns with the roofing industry standards. Yet after conducting hundreds of roof inspections, it's clear many roofers are oblivious to these standards. The most prevalent deviation we witness is shingle nailing, with nails commonly misplaced, underdriven, or overdriven. The runner-up is the reuse of rusted or damaged roof flashing, which is also specifically prohibited. Shockingly, we find either or both of these issues in 30% of the roofs we inspect. But worry not. At Ron Williams Certified Roof and Inspection, we're not just familiar with all roofing industry standards, we live by them. Plus, I've had the honor of being a member of the CSLB's Roofing Industry Expert Program for years, serving as a consumer advocate. So why wait? Dial us at 800-409-4910 or find us online at www.roofcertified.com.